welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're on a Calgary Peace Bridge to see the fireworks. And well, it's not nighttime right now, so we're not gonna see them right now.
Okay, stop. Stop ready ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Yeah, and we are in Calgary and we are super excited.
Yeah, because we're back together now.
Yay!
Yay!
Stay tuned for more videos and for fireworks too.
For more videos and fireworks. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Yay!
I really love the trees.
So that was a really fun trip, and I hope you like and subscribe and hit the bell to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any videos on my channel. So bye.